In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the OR function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and have a worksheet ready. The OR function is a very useful logical function that helps you test multiple conditions at once. Its job is simple. It returns true if at least one condition is true. If every condition you test is false, then it returns false. This makes it especially helpful when you want something to qualify based on any one of several possibilities. The basic syntax looks like this: equals OR, then inside parentheses, logical one, followed by optional additional logical tests. In other words, you can write it as equals OR, open parenthesis, logical one, comma, logical two, and so on, then close parenthesis. Each logical test is a condition that Excel evaluates as either true or false. Let's look at a basic example. You can enter the formula equals OR, open parenthesis A1 greater than 100, comma, B1 greater than 100, close parenthesis. This formula checks whether the value in cell A1 is greater than 100 or whether the value in cell B1 is greater than 100. If either one meets that condition, Excel returns true. If neither value is greater than 100, the result will be false. This is a great example of how OR works when you only need one matching condition. Now let's try OR with text. Use the formula equals OR, open parenthesis, A1 equals quotation mark, yes, quotation mark, comma, A1 equals quotation mark Y, quotation mark, close parenthesis. This checks whether cell A1 contains either the word yes or the letter Y. If either text value appears, the formula returns true. If A1 contains anything else, the result is false. This can be useful when data may be entered in more than one acceptable format. Next, let's combine OR with the IF function. Enter equals IF open parenthesis or open parenthesis A1 greater than or equal to 70, comma, B1 greater than or equal to 70, close parenthesis, comma, quotation mark, pass quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, fail quotation mark, close parenthesis. In this case, Excel returns pass if either A1 or B1 is 70 or higher. If both scores are below 70, it returns fail. This is a practical way to turn a true or false test into a more readable result. For example, if score 1 is 80 and score 2 is 60, the OR result is true. If score 1 is 50 and score 2 is 90, the result is also true. But if score 1 is 40 and score 2 is 50, the result is false. One important tip to remember is to use OR when any condition can qualify, and use AND when all conditions must be met. Once you understand that difference, choosing the right function becomes much easier.